So for this project, you are going to need some burlap in the colors of your choice. I've chosen to go with the natural color green and red, a set of string lights, and a pair of scissors. So first you are going to start with cutting your burlap. Mine was pretty wide, so I was able to cut it into thirds. And I'm just going to cut strips. You can cut it either way you want, whichever way you feel is best. The first time I cut mine long ways, and then the second time I cut it in half and then cut my third. So either way, which is easiest for you. And then all you do is just take your strips of burlap and tie a knot around your string. That is literally it. And you only have to tie it one time with the burlap because it's thick, so it will stay in place. You don't have to worry about doing 2 knots. It will not slip off at all. And then once you get your string all tied up, you are done. This is probably the easiest project that I have. Thank you guys so much for continuing to watch, and I hope you guys are enjoying the 12 days of Craftmas, and I will see you on the next one.